going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This one's actually going to be a bit of a fun one. So I actually turbo on my valve finally. So just unbolting everything and going to start bolting the manifold on. Turbo's over there, waiting. Is that video? Oh, it is. What's going on, guys? So a bit of an update. We've got the intercooler mounted. Hey, Shirley. Just taking the AC pump off now because we don't need any of that. About to bolt the new manifold on. And then run some piping, I guess. What do you reckon? Damon?
Huh?
What do you reckon?
Yeah, sounds good.
How do you stop the video?
Just press the red button.
Right. What's going on, guys? So a bit of an update. We're just getting the manifold on now. It was been a bit tricky, so we had to cut down the studs. Damo's just going to the toilet. Yeah, so we're just going to start bolting the turbo on now. Run some intercooler lines. Got the intercooler on. And yeah, should be good from there. Run the oil feed. And yeah, we'll update you once all that's done. Guys, a bit of an update on the VL. We got the turbo all hooked up, oil feed, dump pipe. We're just got to start running the intercooler piping. So we're going to come across here. We've got to make it all up and fit the intercooler properly. Intercooler's all bolted on. Just got to put brackets back to there so it's like a bit more sturdy. But
Alrighty, back with an update. We've got the turbo all on. Water lines done, oil feed and oil return done. So it's all done. We just started it up. We'll show you a video of that. So quickly throwing a video of that.
Righto guys, so a bit of an update on the VL. I've jumped ahead again, got a bit too keen and then yeah, pretty much forgot to update is pretty much the whole thing. which is a bit shit, but anyway, it's all turboed, it's done, runs fucking awesome. Just need to get me black so I can drive it for a couple more months. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it's come out. I'll show you the engine bay. Oh, fuck. So that's all it done. I'm gonna take all the intercooler piping into work and paint them all nice. And I might weld them all up so get rid of all the joints so it looks a bit more neater and tidier. For the accelerator cable, with them little tabs, I've cut one off and welded it there so it runs there and it's away from the back there where it gets all hot. And I've just ran it all over here nice and tucked away. Intercooler is all on. It's all up nice and tucked, it's not too low. Boost gauge, I need to get oil and water temp, but I've only just got the boost for now. I don't know what happened there, but the camera cut out. But this is actually Dad's old little setup for his gauges. So I've just taken that off him and I've got my boost gauge there. Still need to get the oil and water temp. But screamer, it's all done. So I'm only running about 7 to 8 pound, only because I don't want to blow the thing up because it's only NA internals and all that. So later on I'll be building a motor for it. So that'll be a video, but obviously that's not going to be for a while. I'll just have me fun in it for now. Focus on camera cut out again, but screen pipes just down there. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's all nice and tucked away. I've got the 3-inch dump pipe straight through. It's from Damo's VL actually, so I got that off him. He's getting a whole brand new one and I thought I'd just take his. Save a bit of time and money. But G35 turbo, 38mm wastegate. I've got to quickly, well not, I've got to eventually wire up my electric fan. So I'll probably do that this week. And yeah, just tidying up a few things really. And then I've got to wait till November so I can drive it because I'll get booked on my green peas. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry I didn't get many more videos of doing it all. I just got a bit too keen, as you would. But if you did enjoy this, make sure you subscribe and there'll be plenty more fun videos like this. But yeah, I'll chuck up a few videos of it screaming up the road so you can hear what it sounds like. I'm really happy with it. So anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.